Make them regret losing you without saying a word. Betrayal doesn't just hurt because someone walked away. It cuts deep because you realize the person you once trusted never truly valued you. It's a gut punch, a brutal awakening. But here's the twist. The most powerful response isn't revenge, begging, or even closure. It's becoming the man they never saw coming. When you rise from the pain and build yourself into something remarkable, their regret becomes unavoidable. 1. Become so powerful. They can't look away. The sting of betrayal can knock the wind out of you, but instead of letting it define you, use it to fuel your transformation. Betrayers count on your collapse. They want to believe they were the best thing in your life. Prove them wrong. Get in shape. Eat better. Upgrade your appearance and posture. Start walking into rooms like you own them. Your presence should speak before your mouth ever opens. Then, elevate your inner world. Grow your mind. Build financial power. Cultivate self-discipline. Your improvement should be impossible to ignore. When they see you glowing, thriving, and evolving into someone far more magnetic than they remembered, it creates a storm of regret in their mind. Because the person they left behind, he doesn't exist anymore. Here's the twist. Don't do any of this for them. Do it for yourself. Let their betrayal be the fire that forced you to rise higher. You're not seeking revenge. You're building a version of yourself that no one ever dares to overlook again. That kind of transformation doesn't need words. It speaks volumes on its own. And the best part? While they're left wondering if they made the wrong choice, you're already living a life that makes the answer obvious. 2. Stay silent and unbothered. Make them wonder if they ever mattered. Your silence is more powerful than any argument, rant, or apology letter. When someone betrays you, they secretly hope you'll break, text them, lash out, or beg for closure. Why? Because your emotional reaction validates their importance. But when you remain calm, composed, and absolutely silent, you take away their power. You leave them spinning in confusion. Silence forces a betrayer to sit with their decisions. They wonder, why hasn't he called? Does he even care? That uncertainty eats at them. They stalk your social media. They ask mutual friends. They drop subtle hints. But you don't respond. You've gone ghost. You're unbothered. You've mastered the art of not giving them a single drop of energy. And make no mistake, this isn't weakness. This is dominance. Because when you no longer react to someone, you prove that they hold no influence over your emotional world. Even if you're still healing inside, never let them see it. Control your emotions like a man of discipline. Their goal was to leave you in pieces, but your stillness becomes their punishment. Eventually, their ego will crack. They'll try to pull you back in, maybe with a fake apology, a random message, or nostalgia bait. But your silence tells them everything they need to know. You've moved on. And nothing stings more than realizing the person you betrayed doesn't even care enough to respond. 3. Upgrade your social circle. Show them they were replaceable. One of the hardest pills for a betrayer to swallow is this: life goes on without them. And not just goes on, it gets better. The moment they see you surrounded by new, uplifting people who respect and value you, their illusion of being irreplaceable shatters. Start by cleaning house. Remove toxic people. Cut off anyone who reminds you of the betrayal or keeps dragging you back to your old self. Then, actively seek out high-value relationships, people who challenge you to grow, who genuinely care, and who make your life feel full. These people are your new tribe. Let them be your armor. Now, you don't need to broadcast this change out of spite. Just live it. Post a photo at an event. Share a story with a friend who inspires you. Let the world see that your life didn't skip a beat. If the betrayal came from a relationship, nothing haunts them more than seeing you build new connections, especially if those connections show you more love and respect than they ever did. And here's the psychological dagger. When they realize they were just a temporary chapter in your story, not the whole book, it wrecks their ego. The goal is not revenge, it's peace. And peace comes when you're surrounded by people who bring out the best in you. That's how you show a betrayer they never mattered as much as they thought. 4. Elevate your success. Make them realize they lost a winner. You want to make someone regret betraying you? Become successful, loudly, unapologetically. Success doesn't mean just getting rich or showing off material stuff. It's about building a life filled with purpose, control, and fulfillment. Betrayers always think you'll fall apart without them. They expect you to stall, get stuck, or spiral downward. So when they see you thriving, it messes with their entire belief system. Start by setting ambitious goals. Be relentless. Focus on your craft, your side hustle, your health, or your passion. Let your achievements become your response. And here's the beauty of it. You don't have to say a word. Your results will speak for you. When your name starts being mentioned in rooms they aren't even allowed in, when you're getting noticed by people they admire, that's when the regret sets in. They'll realize they let go of someone who was destined for greatness, someone they could have supported but chose to betray. And that realization? It hurts more than any message you could ever send. But you won't be waiting for their regret. You'll be too busy building, winning, evolving. Their betrayal might have slowed you down for a second, but now you're unstoppable. And success becomes the quiet storm that reminds them they lost the best thing that ever happened to them. And you never needed to look back. 5. Show unshakable self-worth. Refuse to settle for less again. The biggest revenge is knowing your value and never letting anyone treat you like you're less than. After betrayal, most people start doubting themselves. They ask, was I not good enough? But here's the truth. The betrayal wasn't a reflection of your worth. It was a reflection of theirs. So instead of chasing answers or begging for closure, rise above. Make a silent vow to yourself. Never again will I allow someone to disrespect me and stay in my life. This is where self-worth becomes your superpower. You stop settling, you raise your standards, and you walk away from anything that doesn't meet them. When the person who betrayed you sees you holding firm to your value, especially with others who recognize and appreciate it, they start to realize what they threw away. They thought you'd always be available. But now, you're selective, you're focused, you're out of reach. The key here is discipline. It's easy to entertain attention when you're lonely. But a man of value doesn't chase validation, he attracts it. And when you know who you are, you no longer fear being alone. You become powerful in your solitude. You radiate confidence, even in silence. That's when their regret becomes unbearable. Because the moment they realize you'd never take them back, not out of bitterness, but out of self-respect, they'll feel the weight of what they lost. And you'll be standing tall, unfazed, and unshakable. 6. Become the mystery they can't solve. Humans are addicted to what they can't fully understand. And nothing frustrates a betrayer more than watching someone they thought they figured out become a complete enigma. They thought they had you pegged. They assumed you'd react like everyone else, emotional, needy, desperate. But instead, you disappear. You don't explain. You don't justify. You vanish into your own world of progress. You stop posting sad quotes. You stop watching their stories. You stop reacting at all. And suddenly they're left wondering, what happened? Are you over them? Are you with someone else? Are you thriving without them? The lack of answers becomes its own kind of torment. Mystery is power. When people don't know what you're thinking, they fill in the blanks, and their mind becomes the prison. Every silence feels like rejection. Every glimpse of you thriving becomes a dagger. And the more they try to figure you out, the more they realize they no longer have access. Use this to your advantage. Focus on private wins. Let your progress be seen, but never explained. Don't let them know if you're dating, winning, or struggling. Keep your moves close to your chest. Let your energy do the talking. They'll go searching for closure. They'll want answers. But by the time they realize they'll never get them, you'll already be gone. Because you were never playing a game. You were evolving. And now they're left obsessed with a mystery that used to be theirs. 7. Never return. Let closure be their curse. There's a trap many fall into after betrayal, the need for closure. But let's get one thing clear. Closure is a myth when it comes from the person who hurt you. What you really want is understanding. And the truth is, you don't need them to give it to you. The most powerful thing you can do after betrayal is never go back. Don't entertain their apologies. Don't revisit the pain. Don't give them the satisfaction of just one more conversation. Why? Because they didn't value you the first time. They don't deserve a second. When you move on with zero explanation, you leave the betrayer in a loop they can't escape. They start questioning everything. Why didn't he fight for me? Was I really that easy to walk away from? Did he ever care? And here's the thing, you did care, but you chose yourself. You chose peace over chaos, strength over drama. That kind of emotional maturity is rare and terrifying to the person who betrayed you. Because deep down, they expected to be chased. They expected tears, arguments, maybe even a begging message, but you gave them none of that. You gave them silence, and that silence became the closure they never wanted. Now, they're stuck replaying it all in their head. And you? You've moved forward, unbothered, unavailable, unreachable. And that's how you win, by walking away without ever looking back. 8. Let time humble them while you rise. Time always tells the truth. In the beginning, they might feel confident, maybe even smug. They think they did the right thing, that they leveled up or made a smart choice. But give it time, because as you grow and evolve and they stay stagnant or crumble, the truth becomes clearer and harder for them to avoid. While they're chasing short-term thrills or empty validation, you're building. While they're posting for attention, you're stacking wins in silence. At first, they won't notice, but slowly, the world will. People will start speaking your name with respect. Your glow-up becomes undeniable, and suddenly, they remember you. They see you, and it hits them. They lost a rare one. Time has a brutal way of revealing who really won, because while they were caught in their ego, you were becoming a force. Their moment of betrayal was your awakening. It pushed you to grow, to hustle harder, to stop settling for mediocrity. And when they finally circle back, months, maybe even years later, it's not for an apology. It's because time humbled them. They now realize they let go of a person who became everything they ever wanted, but can never have again. So don't rush the revenge. Let time do its job. Stay on your path. Keep rising. Because the longer you stay silent and focused, the louder your life starts speaking for you. 9. Dominate your lane. Find a mission bigger than them. One of the fastest ways to recover from betrayal is to redirect your energy into something greater than the pain. The betrayer thought they were the center of your world. Now, it's time to prove they were just a detour, not your destination. How? By locking into a mission that fuels you. This is where true power is born. When you become obsessed with your goals, with your vision, with your purpose, you stop caring about who left, because your path becomes too important to get distracted by the past. Start asking yourself, what legacy do I want to leave? What does my ideal future look like? Then go all in, whether it's building your business, creating art, leveling up in your career, or transforming your health. Make your life your masterpiece. The beauty of this shift is that it changes your energy. You go from reactive to proactive, from broken to bulletproof, from betrayed to unstoppable. And here's the twist. The person who betrayed you will feel that change. They'll sense that you no longer operate from the same place. You've elevated. They once held emotional power over you, but now you're too focused, too dialed in, too fulfilled to be bothered. And that's the most attractive and haunting transformation of all, becoming someone whose world got better without them in it. When you dominate your own lane, the past becomes irrelevant. You don't need closure, you don't need payback. You've outgrown the whole damn story. 10. Let karma finish the story. You don't need to. At some point, you'll realize you don't need to lift a single finger to make them regret what they did. Life has a way of balancing things out. The same way their betrayal hurt you, it will find its way back to them. Through disappointment, through loneliness, through the reflection in the mirror when they finally understand what they gave up. You don't have to play dirty. You don't have to send that text. You don't have to expose them. You just let karma do what it does best. Wait patiently, then strike when the mask falls. And here's the best part. While they're stuck in cycles of short-term validation and superficial wins, you're building something solid. You're living fully, loving deeply, and growing into the version of yourself that never needed revenge, just distance. When you let karma handle the justice, you rise above the drama. You show the world and yourself that you're not about petty games. You're about peace, progress, and power. And in a world full of people seeking vengeance, being the one who walked away and won silently is the boldest move you can make. Let them talk. Let them assume. Let them try to replace you. Because one day, they'll sit in silence with the weight of their choices, and your name will echo in the regret they pretend doesn't exist. You didn't lose them, they lost you. And the universe will make sure they feel it, without you ever lifting a hand. The sweetest revenge is becoming untouchable. Betrayal might break your heart, but it can also build your legend. You get to choose what happens next. You can cry over the pieces, or you can rebuild into something they'll never touch again, something stronger, something unshakable. So don't chase them. Don't explain yourself. Don't look back. Let your silence speak. Let your growth scream. Let your new life become the loudest response to the pain they caused. Because while they were busy breaking you, they accidentally handed you the blueprint to become unstoppable. And the moment they realize it will be the moment you're already long gone.